multiple different ways that you can build something like this. I think there's 4 or 5, 6 different ways to build a rat rod, to be honest with you. You've got some of those guys. There's Rat Rod Bob out of somewhere who can take an oil stain and a tin can and put all new stuff underneath it. And hey man, he's a craftsman and artisan, but he's got, you can tell by the parts and materials that he uses, he's got all kinds of money in that build. All kinds of money. You've got the Monkey Brothers garages out there who have all the money in the world and can just buy, and put together whatever they want. I mean, this is built more with less. This is what the average person could do. The average person. And even then, a couple grand is what I'm doing this for. I can't spend any more than that, I won't. So I have to figure out where the firewall is on the donor car, and do I use the firewall on this? If I use the firewall on this, that's a bigger build. If I use the firewall in the donor car, it'll look like a rat rod, but the inside will be, a 2000 whatever truck it is. So I mean, it's just I'm going to go the cheap route on this, and I'm sure, there's a few people out there, or a lot of people out there, that's not the way to do it. But that's the great thing about living where we live. We can, different points of view. I can do anything I want to. You can do anything you want to. So this project is going to be build more with less rat rod. It's going to be cheap. I don't have anything in the donor truck. I got like $700 into it, if that. I got $600 into this with a title, with if that. Any parts I use, I don't know. I just don't want to spend a pile of money on it. I want to have some fun, and I want it to look pretty cool. This little girl has been cut up so many times that it just doesn't matter. So I don't think we can screw it up, but we can give it the old college try. Don't cut your wires. Just don't cut your wires. Resist the urge to cut wires. These vehicles, they're so plug and play anymore, man. There's no, put your cutters down. Spend the extra time to take it apart. Kind of rate. Hey, man. Oh. I need a minute. Give me a minute. But, you can always subscribe. You can always hit the like button. You can always say you don't like it. You can do what you want to do. make sure you hit the like button instead. Subscribe. Break out your passwords. Go to your Googles. Go to your YouTubes. Hit subscribe, like, freaking notifications, click buttons. Yeah. You picking up what I'm putting down?